Yo, what is going on, guys? We're back here with another video. Today we're going to be rebuilding the Brooklyn Nets. Let's get into this. Okay, so first of all, this is our team. Righty. Let's see if we can try and get Bradley Beal from the Wizards. Jarrett Allen, Dinwiddie, Caris LeVert, a first, and another first. They have to give us back 2 players. Let's give him, and no, we can't do that trade. I guess it'll have to be an off-season trade. Let's have a look. Staff, fire Kenny Atkinson, Mark Storfel. Gotta do this now. There we go. Got a new staff. System proficiency, 4 stars. 9. Okay, here we go. Let's try and win this championship. Let's just do a couple of trades here. Bring some depth. Let's do this. Let's bring in Bielitsa. Let's trade some other pieces. Jeremy Grant, welcome. Trade Craig. Trade these. Alec Burks. Yeah, I guess I'll get him. Okay. So this is our team. Let's go to the end of the season. See you then. The trade deadline, we are 39 and 11. This is player stats. I think if we get a better shooting guard, we can solidify our team. Let's go. Let's see if I can get the player I want to get. No. What about the other player that I want to get? Oh, hold on. I think we have a trade here. Who's having a better season? Jarrett Allen. No. Give you a first, 2 firsts, and 3 firsts. We have Bam Adebayo on our team. Can we get trade for a power forward that's better? Sabonis? No, that won't work. Gallo? Bielitsa? No, that won't work. Brendan Clark? No. Marcus Morris maybe? No, but I think we got our team. Kyrie, LeVert, KD, Grant, Bam, Dinwiddie, DJ. Okay, I think we have a pretty solid team. Let's trade some of these guys, see if I can get anyone better. No, I guess not. So I'll see you guys at the end of the season. After adding Bam, we go 63 and 19. Luka MVP, Ja Rookie of the Year, Boogie Sixth Man of the Year, Kawhi Depoy, Luka Most Improved, Mark Stoffer, Coach of the Year. We had KD on the All-NBA third. I think that's it. So we've got the Bulls here of this current team. We sweep them, take on the Celtics. Ooh, we almost blew a 3-1. Bucks, we beat them. Lakers, Game 7. Let's see if we can win our game here. And we lose. Oh well. Come back next season. Team player options. Jeremy Grant, we need to re-sign. Give him a 3-year deal. We can sign some players here, but I think we're set. We need Alec Burks back. Which we can't do, but we can sign let's just get Adam Moratorium, Napier, 1-year deal, Lee, 2-year deal. Okay, so now Mahami, Moxcott, Richardson, Michelle Holmes. Okay, Josh Richardson, welcome. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See you at the start of the season. Okay, so we got this lineup here. Let's try and get a better power forward or shooting guard. Gallo. They need 5 mil. There you go. And I'll give you a first. Good guy. Now we need a better shooting guard if we can get one. Jaylen Brown. Richardson. No, that doesn't work. Because we need more players. Trade these three. Justin Jackson. He should go up as a small forward. Alright. Now this. What can that get me? Bainesy. Jarrett Allen back. Ooh. And then I can use Jarrett Allen to flip him. But I have to give up the first. Can we do it like this? And you give us back your worst player. How about look at this? 2 first. What's the original trade? Okay, there we go. Now Celtics, Jaylen Brown, Richardson, Oliver, no. One, 2 firsts. There we go. I'll see you at the end of the season. At the end of season number 2, we go 61-21, same as last year I think. Giannis MVP, Rookie of the Year. Dennis Schroeder, 6-man. Kawhi defensive. Kevin Porter, Mason Crew. Rick Carlisle, Coach of the Year. No one on the All-NBA team. That's a shock. Raptors first round. Let's go, we win. Let's shorten the rotation. Let's go, we win by 40. Sixers. We can't lose. And we win. To take on the Hawks in that current round. I think we're going to 7 with the Hawks. We win by 10. Finals against the Grizzlies. Up 3-2. Got absolutely blown out. Game 7. And we have won the championship. And KD's your finals MVP. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.